What's going on, fellow vendors? Mike here with 720 Vending. Today we are doing a collection from one of my hotel machines. This is a USI CB300 I have at a hotel. We're going to go ahead and get started with the coins here. This is a 2-week collection. Nice change waterfall there. And then onto the cash. Always make sure to leave that lucky quarter. Between coins, cash, and credit cards, this machine did $71.50 for the week. Cannot complain about the business. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day, everybody.